let's talk about developing a theme for your case. Long before trial, while you're still in the discovery phase, and even before that, you should develop a theme for your case. This will help guide your selection of the evidence to be used at trial. For the most part, jurors are everyday people with basic values, honesty, loyalty, stability, fairness, and a deep desire to do the right thing. The theme should be consistent with a jury's preconceived notion of fairness and justice. You should argue this theme to the jury. In developing the theme of your case, remember that even though jurors are told that they must follow the instructions given, jurors often ignore the instructions that do not coincide with their fundamental beliefs. In these cases, jurors may choose to rely on only those instructions that leave them with the feeling that they've done the right thing and fulfilled their civic duty. Therefore, it's imperative to match one's arguments to the community's existing social standards. An attempt to change a juror's fundamental viewpoints is a sure ticket to failure. Rather than trying to change the jury's values, an attorney needs to fit the facts of the case squarely into a theme, falling within the juror's preconceived notions of fairness and justice. Don't wait until closing argument to try to develop a theme. By that time, the case is already largely won or lost. The theme must be developed during the early pretrial stages of litigation, so supporting evidence can be elicited during the discovery phase. The theme should not be intricate or confusing. It should be simple and compelling. For example, justifiable reliance versus an obscure technical defense, or loyalty versus betrayal, honesty versus deceit. In personal injury cases, certain themes seem to reoccur, such as taking full responsibility, or a betrayal of trust, or reimbursing for harm caused. How about with power comes responsibility, or corporate greed at the expense of safety? Ultimately, the theme you select for your case should be something everyone would agree is a unifying value that we hold in society. For example, in a personal injury action, no one disputes that if someone is negligent and caused harm, they should take full responsibility. Once you have your theme should be your mantra, from voir dire, opening statement, directing cross-examination, all the way through closing argument. Now, how do you develop a theme, and how do you know what theme is best? Well, it's important that you test your theme well before trial, so that you can refine the theme of your particular case. The best way to test your theme is through focus groups. This is done by having a jury consultant gather a group of people that have similar views as the jury panel will have, and you can then run the theme of the case by the focus group so that you can refine and refocus your theme if need be. Obviously, you cannot do this on every case, as focus groups are expensive. Accordingly, focus groups are typically used for larger damage cases, where you'll be willing and able to justify the cost of doing so. But you do not need a focus group to test the theme of your case always. You can talk to your friends, family, acquaintances. By testing the theme of your case, you can refine or tailor the theme before trial so that you can present your best case to the jury.